Walmart Spark Curbside. Ooh.
Head south.
Walmart Spark Curbside. Shout out to my dude at Walmart. I forgot his name, but he watches
Your
my
destination
videos.
is on the left.
Ooh, Yaris, huh? MD? Not an MD, bro. December 2024. Oh man, that shit been expired, bro. That shit been expired. Honda Del Sol is pretty sick. My at the time, well, I don't know if she's yeah. My at the time girlfriend had a lime green one. Honda Del Sol was that a 96? Oh, gotta check in. Confirm. Number 6. So Walmart Spark pickups, pretty simple. Number 6. Select. 6. Right, 6. 6. Save. You give them the code. Driver code is a 4-digit, and then you scan them, and then you go deliver. This one is relatively fast, relatively. But let's go take a look around. I'll put on my little jacket, vest. Looks like I'm working when I have this on, even when I'm not. Thank you, Joey. We always keep it hood, bro. Did you seen the DoorDash in the hood video? That one was certified hood, dude. Can't get more hood than that. With the magic smoke. That one was certified, bro. With the magic smoke. Timer, 3 minutes. DoorDash in the hood. The title. Certified hood. Can't get more hood than that. December 2024. Shit been expired for fucking months, guy. 5 months. Shit been expired. Oh yeah, my mom used to have this car, Honda Civic, 2006. 2006 Honda Civic. Headlight pop out. That's just from the 80s, right, Karina? 80s was the pop-up headlights. 90s was the automatic shoulder seatbelt. My first car was a 1990 Honda Accord. Honda Accord EX. No leather, but got sunroof. Yeah, 1990 Honda Accord EX. That was a hand-me-down. Sunroof, no leather. Maroon was the color. So many people driven that car, bro. At least like fucking 50 people borrowed my car. So many people driven that car. Still waiting for them. Number 6. All right. Walmart curbside pickup. This is gonna be on the YouTube 5-minute live stream replay. That's why I set a timer. Yep. All right, that's gonna be on live stream replay.